It's another all-time high with Bitcoin. You feel like you're missing the boat. What are you going to do? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Davinci Jeremy. I'm in the pod 5x5 here with Maurizio from the Mr. M's podcast. Mr. M, how you doing, man?
It's good to be here, man. I am also tired. I know you are probably jet lagged a little bit, and I am also tired, but I am doing great. The market is pumping. Happy days.
Yeah, that's so true. That's so true. Especially if you're a Bitcoin hodler, and these days are very happy. And what happens to those people who want to be Bitcoin hodlers, but it's at 73K and rising? What do you do? We're going to talk about how you're going to handle that in today's episode, and also we're going to be talking a few other things in today's episode about where you can get some cool signals, so that you can trade this market and make some money. Hopefully, place it that whatever winnings you got into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is going to be the money. Don't you agree, Marcia?
100%. 100%.
Yeah, it's too late for all other assets, such as gold. Right, gold is too old. And speaking about old gold, there's Peter Schiff, who we did a debate with against gold versus Bitcoin. It was an excellent debate. It's on your channel, Mr. M's podcast. You just search for gold versus Bitcoin on YouTube, Google, wherever you want, and you'll find it. And it's a pretty amazing debate. But you know what? The main thing I think when I think about gold is gold is just money 1.0.
Exactly, 1.0.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's like it can't be teleported instantly. Nobody cares. You know what? When what I forgot to talk about with Peter Schiff is that when he defined the unit of account, what we use as unit of account is not gold, it's not Bitcoin. It's currently in the currency, the dollars, right? But Bitcoin will get to the unit account stage, which is basically you actually use it to buy price stuffs in the store. And that is when we are selling, right? Isn't that correct?
It is correct. And I'm going to spill some secrets behind the filming, just for your audience. Nobody knows this. We actually struggled in the filming. So you and Peter have been two absolute legends in coping with the technology behind, because remember, Peter had a problem with his cameras. So we had to pivot into a different software. So I also enjoyed it. It's gone crazy. The views are going super, super high as well. But maybe we'll do another one. Like you said, maybe you can rebate him again.
Yes, awesome. It would be awesome. So how do you get some of this cheap Bitcoin is what you're probably waiting for. And well, yeah, I just have to open up an account at coinw.davincij15.com. And you have to set a limit order, because there's going to be spike downs. Like you can see, these are like huge spike downs, right? Down to the 71, and then back up. There's this one that came to 68 and then back up. And so we're going to get that all the way along the way up with Bitcoin. And I think we're overdue for one very soon. Most likely to take out these lows here. These people who feel that they're comfy, cozy at the 70K-ish area. So don't be surprised if there's like a big dip down and then boom, back up again. So how do you get some of those that cheap Bitcoin? Well, you're going to have to open an account in an exchange and put in what's called a limit order on your spot trading. So what you would do, right, if you're going to put in a buy order at the 70,644, is just type in right here 70,644, and then you type in how much you want. Maybe you just want one Bitcoin, right? And there's the price that you got to pay, and you hit the buy button. So long as you have enough money in your account, you can hit the buy button, and then it will place that order for you at that price. And only when that price comes do you get filled. You get Bitcoin at that exact price, and not at the market price, which moves all the time.
Yeah, really well said. It was funny because people have asked, you and me yesterday. Hey, but you keep accumulating these bitcoins, and what is the exit strategy? Bitcoin is the exit strategy.
Exactly.
Right. There's nothing else.
What's your exit strategy for your dollars? You don't have
Exactly.
one? Oh, okay. I so yeah, that's my exit strategy for my Bitcoin, right? There isn't one really. Basically, it's just we are accumulating Bitcoin for the day when you all realize, because right now it's only 2.7%. Realize that it is money, and it's better than money because it can be transferred instantly. You know exactly how much there is, so you can transact in it and earn that wealth directly, and know that you've gotten something so precious and limited that no one can create more. No one can cheat you out of it, right? And that's the key thing about holding Bitcoin. So that's why you want to get some, even at 70K here. That's a great price to buy some. All right. With that said, if you did open up an account at CoinW.DaVinciJ15 and you want to trade, you can join this group, right? That's only for my community who sign up with my link, coinw.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. And you can see there is, there's a group of general chat group, signals, right? You could rate your chart, daily wins, and so forth. See how people are doing, all that great stuff. Also, we're going to be doing what's called a giveaway, right? There's going to be a giveaway, right? Isn't that right, Maurizio?
Yeah, this is super cool, man. I mean, people will have the chance to win a one-to-one with you. So they just need to go into the group and post a screenshot of their profits into the daily win channel. And we will select one lucky winner, and he or she or they will have the chance to speak to you, which is awesome.
Yeah, that's cool. Yes, a lot of people have used that feature that I have available to everyone, basically. If you're really interested in doing that, you can actually head over to the description and then click on calendar.davincij15.com, right, where you can actually get your own 20 minutes with me. Timing is very limited. There's not much scheduled time. So if you're interested in doing that yourself, you can do that at calendar.davincij15.com. Space is limited, so good luck. Hopefully you'll be able to get one. If not, you can join the group and just post one of your daily wins, and you can be one of the people who get 20 minutes with me over a Zoom call.
Exactly. The event runs from March 9th to March 26th, and the winner will be announced on March 30th. So we have a few more days to do this, which is nice.
Awesome. Yes. So we did go to a CoinW event, didn't we? Just yesterday, actually. That was pretty awesome as well.
Yeah, it was beautiful at the Museum of the Future, which was really lovely.
Yes, exactly. And we have some pictures from that. I was on a panel. It was an excellent panel. Thank you, CoinW, for hosting us and having us on that panel, because it was a lot of fun to do. I didn't get a chance to see your panel because I had to run off and work. But how was your panel?
It was good. I actually really enjoyed it. It was really nice. Lots of people came too. It was a good community. I wish I could have stayed, but I had to run back to the studio because we had the moon show, right? So it was like I drove back to the studio, but they had all food and everything. It was really nice. Lots of people show up, and everyone was taking photos, recording, and engaging. There was even a segment where people won a prize. So they basically ask question, and the most beautiful question has been selected, actually two, and they won 2 bicycles, which was really cool. I thought the whole thing was really well put together.
Very nice. I look forward to the next event because that was an excellent event. And hopefully if you stay tuned and watch this channel, you'll see the next event available for CoinW. But before I close it off, there is an event that CoinW is hosting with me. It is on April 14th, 2024. That's a meetup in Dubai. We're going to be doing that another meetup, and CoinW is going to be hosting that meetup. And so if you just type in meetup.davincij15.com, that should take you to this link tree where, we're going to be updating this with other meetups. But right now there's going to be one on April 14th. Yeah, make sure that you're there, sign up, and you're there. It's absolutely free, and it's lots of fun. We're going to have, of course, me and Maurizio there, and also maybe even Carl from the Moon, and possibly even Chris from Crypto. He's coming down, that, to Dubai for the token 2049. So that would be awesome to have him at the meetup. So make sure you're there. Okay,
amazing.
Thank you guys for watching today's show. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe. Also, head over to Mr. M's podcast and we'll watch that gold versus Bitcoin video, and also subscribe there at Mr. M's podcast.
Thank you, Davinci. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you guys on the next one.
Cheers.
Cheers.